Maybe it's raining and plus I showing you how the birds are flying around. But it's raining and drizzling. Not heavy, but it's a drizzle. But I know to show how these birds are flying around in the sky. So kind of come up and they went down like that. But I like the angle I'm getting in here. I don't know why they're doing that, but they're looking so nice to see how they're flying around and stuff like that in that one area. It rained not too long ago. When I started recording this video, it had a little drizzle, but it wasn't for long. It wasn't finishing up, it rained maybe. But it rained not too long ago. Last time I do this video, I like how the birds are flying around. The guitar is so big, I zoom to see if I look closer. And it's really dark also as well. This is a drizzler again. Don't really camera go pick it up whatever. It's not drizzler free, but not heavy. My eye seen it, but don't really camera go capture it. But I will just want to zoom here. What's smaller, so think about it better again to see more of the birds. Here's zoom it up a bit to see the difference. What I'm going back here. Again, I don't know why they're really playing it wrong for. In case somebody asks me that question, like, yeah, I don't know, I don't know the reason why they're playing it wrong so far, but it's nice. I was going to do a rain video instead, but when I end up seeing this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, this is better. It could be a change of things, about the birds, how they're flying around and things. Plus, you see how the sky is as well. I did a rain video yesterday, didn't know, I'll see this. So I don't go anywhere most of the time at home, so I don't really get anything else to upload besides home videos. Videos from around home and my neighborhood and things like that. If I have nothing, have nothing going on, well, me have nothing to record. I see this hassle. Let me do this. I just like it. Somebody might watch it and like it as well. The birds are flying around, and they've been flying around in this spot, in this piece, this area here for maybe more than 15 minutes now. I feel I start recording a little. I started recording the video a little late. I was already doing that before I started recording the video, so that was 15 minutes and more they've been doing this. But they're real nice to see, and I just like it. I'm watching it. I'm not really watching the phone right now, just watching it. I'm watching them direct. I'm not really watching on my phone screen to see. So now I just watching to make sure the phone has moved and is recording it. What is nice? Now I just have to watch a few more birds now. Just now I'll stop. I see plenty started come back. You. But if I see it not much again, I will stop. Right, so it's not much again, so I'm out, people. Right, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of my YouTube family. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for all your support. I deeply appreciate it. I deeply appreciate that. Thank you for all your support again. I deeply appreciate that. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments, all the shares. Thanks you all who subscribe to my channel so far. Thank you for that. I deeply appreciate that. Thank you for all your support again. So once again, I'm out.